It's your girl Tori, and I'm back with another video. Today is Tuesday, December 21st. Yeah, and it's currently like 9:30. I'm about to go to the nail salon with my mom to just do my nails because she said she would pay for it, so I'm not passing that up. So yeah, I'm about to go do that now. I just have a hoodie on and some sweatpants because it's the same place I went to do my eyebrows the other day. I just didn't do my nails. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do. Then later I'm gonna go to Target because I want to try the salmon bowl that's been going around on TikTok. I heard it's actually good, but I want to get the yum yum sauce because I don't want to use mayo. So I'm gonna go to Target to get that. And I have some gifts in the back, and then some more is coming today. So I'm gonna wrap those so I can put them under the Christmas tree. So that's what we're doing today. So yeah, I'll get back to you guys when I go to a nail salon. Alright, you guys, I'm back home. Couldn't really vlog at the nail salon, but these are my nails that I did. Just like, I basically asked the lady to do the same thing that she did on herself. Because I was like, this reminds me of, I'm not giving y'all the middle finger. This reminds me of a candy cane. But yeah, I don't really like long nails, not long nails lately, so this works perfect. Alright guys, we're currently at Wawa. Today's Free Coffee Tuesday, so about to get some. Now I'm gonna try this the other day. Did I try it yesterday? Want me to take my GRE? Okay. So, I'm saying so down is this up? Right, they're usually square. They're usually wrong. Okay. So I just took a Alright, you guys, now we are at Target. I'm going in there because, like I mentioned, I want to get some, I want to make that salmon bowl that's been going around on TikTok. And I need like yum yum sauce for it. I guess it's like a, I don't know if it's Japanese or I think it's Japanese mayo. So I'm gonna go in there. Hopefully they have it. Oh, sorry. Cause no children are in here. What is going on? Buddy Christmas shopping. I was gonna buy this for myself because it has a bunch of dividers and it's cute to put my makeup in. I don't know. And I also saw like a clear one at one point, but I don't see it anymore. This is cute. It's like you can stop them on top. Underneath you put it. What's my shot? You like your hair? Okay, this is the condiment section, so let's see if we can find it in here. Whoa, you see this, mommy?
Wow.
Guys, I just bought this in Target. It was $3.99 and it's $5.69 in here. So, whew.
Good afternoon, shoppers. Madonna Drop 303.
Anyways,
Madonna 303, please.
let's see. What? But it's not the same thing as.
Oh, same thing.
Uh-uh.
Okay.
What is this sauce? Hey y'all, I found it in Acme and I almost left because I didn't see it in the condiments aisle, but it's in the Asian section or Asian international section. So I'm gonna get this and I'm gonna put this. I was gonna use this instead, but I was like, girl, I already got sriracha. Okay, so these are the stir-fried noodles, and then I wonder if I should get a tiny bottle of soy sauce. You know? Anyways, let me come off of this because I want to get copyrighted. Alright, you guys, I'm back. So I got all the ingredients like I mentioned for the salmon bowl, but now that I was showering and I'm thinking like I didn't get any seaweed, and that's like the best part, they said. So I'm still gonna make it, but I don't have any seaweed, and what can I do? But yeah, I got the sriracha, which is what they use on it, and then I got the yum sauce. It smells amazing. I smelled it just now. And then I have the salmon thighs, so I'll show you. Got the salmon right here. I just have 3 slices. So I'm gonna season those up and then I'm gonna make some rice. And we're gonna try this out. so I'm gonna try it how it came out. So let's see. The only thing I'm missing is the seaweed, but whatever. Let me mix it all together. Mix the sauce. Okay, really good.
Okay.
It's actually good, y'all. Okay. And I feel like the seaweed would make it like really pop, but it's good. The sauce, this yum yum sauce and the sriracha together, it's good. What is up, you guys? So I'm back. I just finished eating the rest of the salmon bowl, and it was really good. Gonna just close out the vlog right here so that I can edit this right now and post it before the night ends. And then I will see you guys again tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 22nd, December 22nd. So yeah, didn't get to do the gift wrapping today, but I will be doing it tomorrow since everyone will be out. And the rest of the things that I bought should get here tomorrow. So I'll wrap those, have a chit chat, you know. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Thank you for watching. And as always, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and click that bell if you want to see more videos like this. And, you know, future videos. So yeah, I will see you tomorrow. Bye.